Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to send money from Revolut to bank account. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply open up the Revolut application into your device. And guys, this will be a step-by-step guide. So just simply go ahead and follow along the steps that I'm going to show you on the screen. So now, once you are logged in, just simply go ahead and tap on the payments icon in the bottom toolbar, and then press the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen to add a recipient. And from there, guys, you'll be taken to the transfer screen, which you should be able to see there a category add new. And from there, just simply go ahead and select bank recipient. And after that, just simply go ahead and provide the necessary information and enter your bank details. So it will be the sort code and account number. And once you have provided the details, just simply go ahead and press the add recipient button. And once the recipient is added, guys, just simply go ahead and press the blue send button to start the transfer. And from there, guys, the money will be sent from Revolut to your bank account. And that's simply about it. I hope this tutorial helped you understand more about Revolut. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.